तुमका CLP लीडर काढून
We are completely, I don't know what is the problem. Day before yesterday, in Fortune Hotel, we have addressed the press. All Congress MLAs were together. So we were also there. Everything was over. Yesterday again in South Goa, we were all called. We went. Then again they are having another press conference. I don't know why we are trying to confuse the people. We are one on Congress ticket. And we are with the Congress party.
Sir,
We are with the Congress party. So the question only does not arise of having so many press conferences and so many CLP meetings. We had a CLP meeting the other day in Fortune Hotel. So after that there was a meeting. After that there was a press conference. So continuously, I had told Dinesh Gundu Rao that I am not interested to continue as leader of opposition because there are various issues raised on me by the government side, and I said it will be very difficult and embarrassing for others. So you choose for somebody else. So he was asking me. I said, our senior leader Digambarji Kamath is there. You can ask him, or you can give it to anybody. म्हणून आरोप झालो आणि काल सांजचो दनपारां आमी आहा वयर आहा सो प्रेसाक येना जाल्यार आरोप जाता.
अभी भी कांग्रेस में है या बीजेपी में?
CM, my wife's constituency, about 6 houses are broken by 3 trees falling. So she had gone. She was called in the morning. Then CM said, "I am not there. You come in the evening." So she went. We are strongly with the Congress party. We will raise cautions and
CLP मीटिंग अटेंड क्या करूँगा सर तुम्ही?
helicopter and contrary.
CLP मीटिंग तुम्ही अटेंड करूँगा?